Hi guys, it's Debbie and I'm back doing some little paintings and anyways, it's good to be back, but where have you guys been? I've been missing you. anyways, um I have missed you guys and making paintings. I just sometimes you get busy and then you concentrate on some other things, but recently I saw somebody who had made these little square cells. It was so cool. And so I been working on trying to figure out what, how to do it. And then I seen there's a couple of people out there that are also, there's more than one person doing it. So anyways, I had to give it a shot. And I was going to show you what I'm trying to do, the same thing. And so we'll see if it works. I have to admit, I've had some failures. I've been trying to do it for a few days now, and I've had a few failures. So hopefully today we'll be pulling it off. So I'm going to pull you down. Okay. Anyways, you do a swipe painting, and you put some silicone on a plate, and then you dip. All I have is just the stuff sitting around here. It's some really old stuff because I'm always painting. Everything's covered in paint. But anyways, all I'm going to do is a swipe painting. And I'm just using piece of artboard. Sorry. I'm not too sure what order I want to put this in yet. I've mixed the stuff too thin. I've mixed it too thick because I thought the reason why I wasn't getting any cells is because I had it too thick. I don't know what the first time I did. I got 0. So something I was doing. Who knows what it was. You don't have to go across. You can go zigzag if you want. It doesn't really matter. Maybe we should, I don't know what to do. I was going to say maybe we should just zigzag it. And through all my practicing, I'm about out of white. No, I might have to mix some more. In fact, I'm going to pause you long enough to mix some. Okay, now I got a little more. God, hopefully that isn't too thick. I don't know if it matters that much, but we'll find out, won't we? Maybe we'll put extra white in there. I'm not a big swiper, so I honestly don't know what is the best way to swipe. And I'm not sure even if you have to swipe to make this work. Okay, so everything's all dirty. All right, I'm going to just take paper towel. I suppose you could do it with a squeegee too. But I need to clean my squeegee. So I'm just going to take a paper towel and wet a little bit so it doesn't take all the color off. And I don't think I'm going to pull from the top first because I didn't put a lot of color there. Pull it from in the middle maybe somewhere. There is no silicone in any of this. There we go. But, this is typical of swiping to get the little bubbles. So now I'm going to take a little more silicone. This is silicone, been used from a long time ago. I'm going to do both sides of this comb. Right? Give it a shot, see what happens. But let's start with this side. Looks like they're coming. Yeehaw. um, I'm surprised it's still coming off this comb. The silicone. I thought maybe you had to dip it a lot. I'll do it again. Start clean again in case it's running out. Just think of all the really cool designs you can do with this. I'm excited to see what the bubble wrap ones look like. We put bubble wrap on. I'll probably try that. Put a little white silicone across the bubbles, or dip the bubbles into a little dish of silicone. Wouldn't that be cool? I'm gonna leave that little design in the middle there. But you see what's going on? Can you see? Now I'm gonna try the other side, this wider apart side, and see what that looks like. They're coming, I think. Oh, there they come. Yeehaw! Don't ask me where yeehaw came from, because I have no idea. Just excitement. Cool. There they come, guys. You know what I'm thinking about? Doing a big painting and making this like underneath like a water bed. You know? Do some pretty design with water flowing over top the water bed. I think that'd be really cool. Look at that with this bigger one. I suppose you don't have to clean it every time unless you want to. Because now, for the last part, I have another little tool I'm going to use. Mind you, the girl that I originally saw on, I think it was Facebook, that was doing this. I'm trying to. She was really doing some beautiful ones. Maybe somebody who's watching this video will put her name down below, so everybody will know who it was who had this idea. Let's see. Oh, I was using the wider part on that. And I'm gonna drop a couple right there. I'm going to switch over to see what the little pointy, whoops, I'm sorry. I was using this side just now. I'm going to try the pointy side now. You can tell I haven't made videos in a while, so I apologize if I'm not getting things right good enough for you guys to see. Isn't that cool? That is really cool. I suppose if you wanted to be adventurous, you could take and hit it with a torch. Should we do that? It's not like I'm going to save this for anything. I'm just doing this video so you guys can see. Hold on one second. I'll grab the torch. I apologize for making you wait. I don't know where my torch is. It's not in my art room, so it's went somewhere. Anyways, I don't plan on keeping this. I just put this on a cardboard quickly to practice, because I have a couple other ones I practiced doing, and they turned out, the first one turned out horrible. And so I remixed the paints. Now a lot of them are just these little cheap paints with Floetrol. The white was Liquitex with the little water. And that's pretty much it. That's all there is that I've used this time. And I'm sure I'm going to go show you a little close up here. How cool, right? Just think of all the things you can do. We're going to have to do one with bubble wrap. I don't know why. And just, you know, I'm sure there's a lot of other cool things to do it with. Anyways, guys, it's great to be back with you. And we'll be back later. Bye.